is a narrative of perseverance, innovation, and unwavering
proud parents, and above all, the awardees for today's recognition ceremony. It is with great honor and privilege that we welcome our distinguished member of our alumni, a testament to the enduring spirit of Pasita Complex National High School. A graduate of batch of 2004, she has since traversed diverse paths of personal and professional growth, embodying the values of education instilled within these hallowed walls. Her academic journey continued by studying Bachelor of Arts in Psychology from Pamantasan ng Luzon ng Muntinlupa. A proud member and officer of the United Freelancers of the Philippines, she has championed the cause of independent professionals nationwide, advocating for the opportunities and recognition in burgeoning gig economy. Her expertise in operations management was honed at RCM Philippines Virtual Hub, where she led with vision and vigor. Her strategic acumen did not go unnoticed, as she soon found herself at the helm of social media and marketing for a pioneering print-on-demand e-commerce company in Hanoi, Vietnam. There, she crafted campaigns that resonated across cultures, connecting people with products. The breadth of his experience further expanded as he took on the role of social media manager for a US-based e-commerce company in Columbus, Ohio. Beyond her professional achievements, she is a loving mother of two, a devoted wife, and a music enthusiast whose melodies on the guitar echo the harmonies of life. Her love for the outdoors, for serene camping trips to exhilarating beach and road adventures with her family, reflects her belief in the balance between work and play, something that instills with her children. Today, she stands before us not only a guest speaker, but a shining example of what our achievers aspire to become. Her journey from his very grounds to where she is now is a narrative of perseverance, innovation, and unwavering dedication. As we listen to her insight and experiences, may we be all inspired to carve our own paths with courage,
creativity, and a deep sense of purpose. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to an individual who truly embodies the spirit of Pasita Complex National High School. Welcome home, Macy Riboquillo Aragon.
Go, Macy! Talaga naman. Thanks, Mami.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Donna Cashianan, for that wonderful introduction. Grabe yung introduction. Parang ayaw mag-agree ng mga kaibigan ko. Thank you. You may now be seated. Gusto ko sa gitna para makita niyo yung dress ko. Charot. Na-video kaya ng asawa kayo? Ayun, na-video na. Yan. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. To all our hardworking faculty and staff, good morning po. I'd like to acknowledge my former teachers, Ma'am Praxedes Carat. Teacher niyo siya. Mabait, no? Ma'am Victoria de los Santos. Taramihan pala ng fans, no? Ma'am Josephine de los Santos. Ma'am Eileen Alava. And of course, hindi ko makakalimutan, si Ma'am Marilu Rivera. Wala siya today. Sayang wala si Ma'am. Hindi niyo nakita yung outfit ko. And of course, magandang Ma'am Dorothy Bronio. Ay, favorite teacher ko siya. Sipset mo. To our beloved principal, Mr. Reginald Rafael. Good morning, sir. To all our guests, friends, thank you for gracing this ceremony. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of my beloved friends, Mr. Alberto Miguel Pabalate, our batch valedictorian 2004. Ayun ka naman namin. My dear friend, turning to Kumare, Mrs. Sheila Bitangkol, 2004 Student Council President, and of course, last year's speaker, Mr. Robert Pica. Ang supportive nila no, nag-vacation leave pa yan. To our academic achievers and awardees, our dear students na talaga namang pinaghandaan, ang fresh, di ba? And of course, our beloved proud parents, titos and titas, lolos or lolas na nandirito, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Today, kayo po ang tunay na bida sa okasyong ito. Your love of your children, your sacrifices, and unconditional love are recognized. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And you deserve a big round of applause. Palakpakan po natin ang mga bagulang. It is truly an honor and a humbling experience to be standing here in front of everyone. When I was invited to be a guest speaker, it really brought back a lot of memories. And napa-throwback Thursday talaga ako. And I realized na yung high school life talaga is one of the memorable and colorful life as a student. Do you agree? Ah, di ba? Pak na pak ang sagot ni ate. I never imagined that I'll be sharing my story and hopefully an inspiring journey in front of you. So maraming salamat sa tiwala, Pasita Complex National High School. Looking back, no, yung school namin, dadalawa lang ang building. Ito, ayan yung building namin noon. At saka ito. So, dyan yung canteen. So, kapag tumatambay, ang haba. Ang haba. At, nakita ko meron na kayong hugasan ng kamay. Dati wala kaming hugasan ng kamay. Ang dudungis namin. Ngayon, ang lilinis na ng mga kamay nyo. And, I'm so happy to see the development and improvement of our alma mater. Thank you so much to the combined efforts of the school administration, faculties, parents, students, and of course, yung ating mga donors. Balik na ako dito. Wala akong patungan eh. Parang kailan lang, I was just roaming around the campus. Sobrang luwag. So kapag recess, tumatambay kami ng mga kaibigan ko, gumagawa ng assignment. Kagaya nyo, naging estudyante rin ako dito. Nagsipag, nagpursige, chumismis sa kaklase. Masaya kayo chumismis, no, pag-recess. Aminin, di ba? At mind you, ang chismis namin doon, noon, live. Kasi wala kaming Facebook. 2004 kami. Na-create yung Facebook late 2004. So, ang chismis namin doon, wala sa GC. So, hindi kami nagbabackstaban. Walang emoji. May feeling talaga namin talagang reaction. Uy, si ano break na, ha? Ganon. Live reaction. Kaya sa GC lang, emoji. Mas maganda nun. I remember those days na excited kang mag-break time. Kasi makikita mo na yung crush mo sa kabilang section. Daming nakarelate na. Alam mo yun, hihingi ka ng Johnson's baby powder. Baby powder, baby powder, baby powder. Sa klase mo, para paglabas mo ng classroom, fresh. Yung crush ko noon, hindi ako na-crush back. Sorry. Sorry. Dito pa talaga ako humugot, no? Buti na lang hindi niya ako na-crush back kasi yung asawa ko andito na. Moving on, I just want to say that your generation is the luckiest generation when it comes to learning. Why? Because you have a lot of resources. You are very privileged. Kasi nung panahon namin, grabe yung panahon namin, parang ang tanda. During our times, we had to go to a public library para makapag-research, para makapag-gawa ng assignment, gumawa ng articles. We were literally lining up and we were taking our turns kung sino yung kasunod na gagamit ng libro. Siyempre, una lagi yung matatalino. Lagi sila yung una. Yung generation nyo, kapag may thesis or may projects, isang chat lang sa ChatGPT, you're done. Isang research lang kay Google, tapos na po sir, print na lang po. So life as a student is easier in your generation. Of course, merong mga struggles, hindi naman mawawala. May pros and cons, but it's lighter compared to our generation. So please take advantage of your resources. Gamitin nyo ng gamitin. Kasi napakasaswerte nyo ngayon. So you have to be equipped and you have to be prepared for your future. Ibang-iba yung high school life. Share ko lang, no? When I was in elementary, I was always on top of the class. Every year, simula daycare, hanggang grade 6, lagi ako nasa top. I always represent my school sa mga press conference, sa mga quiz bee, sa mga academic contest. So feeling ko, pagdating ng high school, sisiw. Tabi nyo, ako na. But I was wrong. Kasi nung high school, dun pala nagsisimula yung competition ng buhay ko. Maging kaklase mo ba naman sila Alberto Pabalate? Sila Sheila Urpano, sila John Ray Lumugdang. These are the names of my classmates na nag-aalmusal ng mathematics. Nagla-lunch ng science. Eh ako walang lunch nun. So, in short, nawala ako sa top. But, hindi ako nawala sa section 1. Yun na lang yung achievement ko. Because during our times, pag sinabing nasa section 1 ka, you're one of the best. Sa dami namin, konti lang kaming nasa section 1. So, feeling ko pag naglalakad kami dyan, uy, star section, ang laki ng ulo ko. Relate ba yung mga star section dito? So, competition does not stop in school and definitely doesn't stop on your comfort zone. The real competition begins when you step out of school. Yung totoong competition, nagsisimula yan kapag tinahak mo na yung napili mong karera. Nagsisimula yan kapag gusto mong sundin yung path na ginogol mo sa buhay. And I believe that the best weapon you can have is your education. Was I disappointed? Yes, I was disappointed with myself, pero I never gave up. I am a proud graduate of batch 2004, and I'm happy to say that our batch is one of the best. Sana mag-agree yung mga teachers namin noon. Bragging eh, no? Bakit ko nasabing one of the best? Because yung batch namin, we have produced engineers, mga engineer na ngayon, here and abroad. We have IT experts, web developers, business owners, business managers. We have a lot of teachers. Marami kaming magigiting na guro na galing sa batch namin. Meron din po kaming successful freelancers and remote workers. Siguro sabi, ang yabang naman. Ang yabang naman na ate girl. No, why am I sharing this? It is because I'm proud to say that Pasita Complex National High School can produce a lot of professionals. And I think kayo, kayang-kaya nyo rin makuha kung ano man yung mga na-achieve namin sa buhay. I'm saying this because we are so proud na galing kami sa paaralang ito at malaki yung naibahagi ng alma mater namin sa kung ano man ang buhay na tinatahak namin ngayon. We still believe that you guys, ang kabataan, kayo pa rin ang pag-asa ng bayan. We'll never know isa sa inyo maging mayor or senator, congressman. Ikaw, anong pangarap mo? I believe magiging successful ka. Ang ganda ng aura mo eh. Okay, medyo mahaba na no. But before I end my speech, I want to share a piece of advice. Number one, and this is very important for me, honor your parents. Always be grateful and thankful to them. You know, friends, they come and go. Some will stay, obviously, but your parents will never leave you. They will stay forever. Make them proud. When I was promoted as operations manager, and mind you, ang mga kalaban ko po sa role ay mga foreigner. So nanalo ang Pinoy. And I immediately shared it to my parents. I saw their very proud faces. They're not very vocal, pero yung mga mata nila naglilingling when I shared that I got the role. And now that I am also a parent, I know how it feels to be proud. In fact, ma-share ko lang, no? After my speech, I'll be heading to my son's graduation day. My youngest will also deliver his speech as preschool batch valedictorian. Thank you po. And my eldest, he's in 5th grade. He will be receiving a high honor awards. So bilang magulang, yun po yung premyo namin na hindi mapapalitan ng kahit ano. And I believe lahat ng magulang dito ay nag-a-agree. Number 2, believe in yourself. Cut out those negative self-talk and doubt about yourselves. Huwag mong isipin hindi mo kaya. Be positive. Number 3, keep trying. Even when things seem impossible or setbacks keep holding you back, always remember that successful people always look at their failure as learning opportunities. And last but not the least, have faith in the Lord and everything will fall into places. Again, congratulations to your incredible achievement and good luck on the next level of your high school life. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have truly paid off. This recognition is a testament that your commitment to excellence and your unwavering determination to succeed. Keep striving for greatness and continue to shine bright in all your endeavors. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
De los Sonidos, Dental A.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any, to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny.